Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have a 2019 Grom with only 362 miles. We have it priced at $35.99, and it has a lot of extras on it. We have LED turn signals, eliminator kit, custom exhaust. You can see the eliminator kit right there. Bar end mirrors. This bike is mint, barely ridden. If you want a tricked out Grom that's already ready to go, this is the one for you. We offer financing, and we have anywhere from 30 to 40 pre-owned bikes on the lot at any time. Come in and see this little jewel, make this one yours, and have fun this summer on a tricked out Honda Grom. Give us a shout, 925-687-7750.